Hi, welcome to pre-market report. So for 7th November 2022. So if you are not subscribed our channel, so do subscribe to the trading class and press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates of whenever I am posting a new videos. And Demat and trading account link is available in the description. So you can open a free Demat and trading account with Allies Blue, and like our D-Trader app link is available in description. This is for Android. So you can find, so this is a pre-launching offer is going on. So for the advanced option trading courses, so just 3,000 rupees. So you can make use of it. It is the lifetime access. So like you can I'm planning to post already 4 or 5 videos are already available. So with including that basics of options up till like advanced technologies and like automation process of your strategies. So everything is covered in this course. So it's a pre-launching offer. So app link is given in description. You can download the app. Okay. So we'll move on to the pre-market report. So on Friday, so Dow Jones was almost 400 points up, and Nifty closed around 18,000. That is, HGS Nifty is closed around 18,314. So initially, our market were closed around 18,100. Okay, so then later to that, so HGS because of the US markets were up, so HGS Nifty was also almost 200 to 200 points up. So expected, so market may be gap up by Monday. So this is our closing. So our closing will be around, just a minute. So our closing is actually around 18,117, but like HGS Nifty closed around 18,314. Okay, so it indicates almost 200 points. That is 197 or 198 points. So maybe like expected, Nifty may open around 18,250 to 18,300. Okay, so if you look at the open interest is not much changed. Like you can see both like call option and put option were written heavily, and you can see some like buyings in call option. So this is the OA build-up for Nifty. So if you see Bank Nifty OA build-up, so Bank Nifty OA build-up is completely written both the size call option and put option. So only few in the money put options were bought. Okay, so my expectation for this complete week, so Nifty may trade around 18,100 or 18,100 to 18,500. So this is what my expectation. Why? Because like both the sides they have written heavily both call and put option. So it will not allow the market to move here or there. Okay, so maybe a gap up or gap down, and then after that, some market may roll around near the places, maybe 50 to 100 points. So positive and negative movements. So expected this week market may trade between 18,100 to 18,500 or 18,600 maximum on Nifty. And if you see Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty expected to trade in between 40,600 to 41,600, or like 41,600 to 42,000, or 41,000 to 42,000. So between this range, this 1,000-point range, expected Bank Nifty to trade. So this is what my prediction. So we'll see like how it is going, but overall the market sentiment is bullish so far. Like you can see in weekly time frame of Nifty, so it is already broken a huge resistance, or like you can say the reversal zone. So completely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So almost 6 regions were reverse. It is acting this region as acting as a strong resistance zone. So this has been broken in weekly time frame. So expected the market to sustain and it will reach 18,000 or it will break all-time high expected by this week. Okay, so if it is breaking and it is sustaining, then the next target will be 19,000. Okay, so this is the case of Nifty, and in case of Bank Nifty, so it has created a doji pattern and expected tomorrow it will be a gap up, and once it is broken, then you can see 43,000 very soon. Okay, so 42,500 and 41,500 and 42,000 is acting as a huge resistance area. So once it has to break, then you can see the upper move. Okay, so for Nifty 18,500 will act as a huge resistance, and for Bank Nifty 42,000 will act as a huge resistance. It has to break and it has to sustain in the particular region. Okay, so this is what my expectation on coming week, and I'm actually I'm planning to start silver mini trade. Okay, with apart from regular my Bank Nifty or Nifty options. So I'm planning to enter soon. So soon I will post my updates in my Telegram channel as well as my YouTube community. Okay, so possibly from next week you may also get the levels of silver. Okay, so regarding the particular only one commodity I'm planning, it's a low risk. So if you want, you can also try. It's a low risk commodity. You can try and you can do even positional trading. So that updates I will come up with a separate video. Okay, so thank you for watching. And if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and open your demat and trading account with Allies Blue. Okay, and workshops details are even our app download link is available in our website. So www.dtradingclass.com. So that also given in description. Okay, so thank you friends, thank you for watching.